हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज हम इस सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट शॉर्ट लेक्चर सीरीज में कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक के बारे में समझेंगे। मैं आपका होस्ट प्रोफेसर मनोज कुमार राउत आपको इस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में इस वीडियो में समझाऊंगा। सो पहले आइए समझते हैं व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स। सो पॉइंट नंबर 1, इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स रेफर टू द प्रोसेस ऑफ मैनेजिंग द फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स, मटेरियल्स, information from supply to the company facilities. So inbound logistics basically the process of managing जहाँ पे फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स, मटेरियल्स, इंफॉर्मेशन को सप्लाई किया जाता है, सप्लाइज टू द कंपनीज। पॉइंट नंबर 2, इट एनकम्पास द स्टेप्स इन्वॉल्व इन रिसीविंग, स्टोरिंग, distributing the incoming goods, ensuring the business have the necessary resources for the production or resales. So यहाँ पे अगर देखोगे इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक्स में तो पहला स्टेप है रिसीविंग ऑफ गुड्स, storing of goods, distributions incoming goods to different departments, and specially reference to inbound logistics, they basically ensure the business which is necessary resource for the production and resale for the companies. So ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट इनबाउंड लॉजिस्टिक का। इसको अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, बेसिकली रॉ मटेरियल सप्लायर्स supply the raw material by the help of inbound logistics to the plant or manufacturing companies. So what are the different steps involved in case of that is known as inbound logistic procedures? The first important part we have sourcing of raw materials. Then moving to the next one that is known as order placement. The next is vendor suppliers. Then through the transportation it should be reached to the company and company will receive the goods and raw materials. So this is the entire process of your inbound logistics, which will be start from the sourcing to the receiving of goods by the companies. So next समझते हैं the importance of inbound logistics. पहला होता है in uninterrupted productions by the help of inbound logistics. There should not be any that interruption should be happen in the production department. Then it is very cost efficiencies, build up large amount of supply relations. Then quality control can be easy. Then optimize the resource allocations. The next one is meeting customer demand. Then getting higher side of competitive advantage. Reduce the lead time from the receiving of supply of goods to receiving of the raw material. Then minimize the disruptions. And last important point है enhance the sustainability. So these are the core reasons to implement the inbound logistics, starting from the supply to the company side. So आइए समझते हैं what is the basic difference between inbound logistics versus outbound logistics. So अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे outbound logistics में the flow of goods is outwards and the flow of goods is inwards. So outbound logistics में क्या होता है, flow of goods is outwards from company to number of destination, and inbound logistics में the flow of goods is basically from supply to the companies. Then point number 2, focus on demand, especially reference to outbound logistics, but in case of inbound logistics, focuses on that is known as supply. Then point number 3, involve delivery of finished goods. So here point number 3 is deal with the collecting raw material from supply to companies. Then point number 4, the touch point of outbound logistics can be viewed as retail stores, third-party logistics, and customers. But in case of inbound logistics deal with the suppliers, manufacturers, retailers in the ends. Last point, outbound logistics process include inventory management, transportations, order fulfillment for the customers, and delivery to the customers. But in case of inbound logistics, the process are outsourcing, procurement or purchase, material management, placing the material in the shelves or the rack or maybe stores. So these are the common difference between outbound logistics versus inbound logistics. वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।